This is propionic acid.
Here you can see the Lewis dot in the 3D model of propionic acid. It has 3 carbons, 6 hydrogens, and 2 oxygen atoms. Now we have the hybridizations of each atom within the molecule. Carbon 1 and oxygen 2 have the same hybridizations, sp2, while all the other atoms have the same hybridization of sp3.
Next up we have the sigma and pi bonds, sigma being any one bond and pi being double and triple bonds. Carbon has 3 sigma and 1 pi, while the other 2 carbons have both 4 sigma and no pi bonds. Oxygen has 2 sigma and 1 pi, and finally oxygen 2 has 1 sigma and 1 pi. Here's the molecular geometry. Carbon 1 is trigonal planar, while the other 2 carbons are both tetrahedral. Oxygen 1 is bent, but oxygen 2 isn't applicable here since it only has 1 bond and it's not counted as a central atom.
Then we have the bond angles. Carbon 1 is 120 degrees, while the other 2 carbons are roughly 109.5 degrees. Oxygen 1 is 120 degrees, and once again, oxygen 2 isn't really applicable here. Finally, the propionic acid molecule is overall polar. Due to the fact that its bonds are not just non-polar, there's still some polar and non-polar ones that are mixed in together, and the fact that the Lewis dot structure is in fact not symmetrical.